Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about how you can watch ABC on ABC iView on Fire TV. Let's get started. So for those who don't know, ABC iView is a video on demand and catch-up TV service run by an Australian broadcasting service. This is, however, only available in Australia, and if you wish to access it outside of Australia, you will need a VPN. So make sure you have one if you are not within Australia. Moving forward, so if you want to watch ABC iView on your Fire TV, first things first, you're going to want to access the Amazon App Store. Once you're there, go ahead and search into the search bar ABC iView. Go ahead, download and install this app. Once you've done that, find the ABC iView app on your Fire TV's home screen or in the apps section. Go ahead and open it. Once you're there, you should simply you should be at the home page for ABC iView. Go ahead and log in. If you do not have an account, go ahead and sign up first, then simply log in. Keep in mind, if you're not in Australia, you will need to use a VPN to access ABC iView. And there you go. It's as simple as that. And now you can simply watch ABC iView on your Fire TV, whether you're in Australia or not. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.